Welcome to Episode 7 of Clojure for Beginners. Vectors, the go-to ordered collection. Phase 2 begins collections and sequences. Vectors are ordered, indexed, and immutable. We'll create, access, grow, and inspect them. Let's start the REPL. Square brackets create a vector. Strings, numbers, any values work. Get retrieves by index, starting at 0. Nth does the same. 2 ways to access. Count returns how many items. Conj adds to the end, returns a new vector. You can conj multiple values at once. Peek gives the last item. Pop gives everything except the last. A vector is also a function of its index. Control-D exits. Now let's write vectors.clj. 2 comment lines for the header. Create a colors vector with 3 strings. Access section, get and nth by index. Count section. Conj section. Add yellow to the colors. Immutability. The original colors vector is unchanged. Peek and pop section. Vectors as functions of their index. A shopping cart example, building up with conj. Let's run the file. Colors prints the whole vector. First is red, third is blue, 0 indexed. Count is 3. After conj, we have 4 colors including yellow. But the original vector still has 3, immutability. Peek gives yellow, pop drops it. Index 1 is green, vector as a function. The cart grew from 3 to 5 items. Vectors are your everyday workhorse in Clojure. Episode 7, complete. Quick recap. Square brackets create a vector. Conj adds to the end, returning a new one. Get and nth access by index. Vectors are immutable. The original never changes. Thanks for watching episode 7. Like and subscribe for more Clojure tutorials. Next up, episode 8, lists.